Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark II, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So the device in front of me is obviously locked, and I can unlock it either using the pattern or using the account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're going to, number one, connect to Wi-Fi. So just connect to any kind of Wi-Fi that you know, and from there go back to the first page and change the language to any kind of other language that uses a different keyboard. So something like Greek or Russian will work just well. So let's choose, for instance, Greek right here, and progress again through the setup as we did before. So once you tap on a field, you will see the globe icon. Now, if you don't see the globe icon, I, for instance, did not see it the first time I tried this, you might want to go back and, for instance, choose a different language. As an example, Russian seemed to fix it for me. And from there, you just want to get back to where I am right now. And once you see the globe, you want to hold it. And number one, tap on the last option right here. Then at the bottom, and let's tap the first option, tap right here on the blue button, and you can try to go back. Now, before you go back, just wait where you are, where we were just a moment ago, which meaning right in here, because I'm not exactly sure if this will work with only one language added. So I'm gonna quickly check. And what I'm doing right now is just backing up to the first page. So from here I'm gonna change it back to English, and let's see if adding one language was just enough to get it going. And it seems like it was. So what you want to do, as you just seen, you want to back up and change it back to English so we can actually understand what we're going to be tapping soon enough. So from here, same process, tap on the globe, go to language settings. From here, tap on add keyboard and find one with an arrow. So there it is, one, Albanian. When you tap on it, you will have the three-dot icon right here. And when you tap on it, it gives you help and feedback option. So choose that, then tap on the describe your issue, and you want to hold the globe icon once more and change it to QWERTY, which for me is the middle option right here. And this will change the alphabet to QWERTY so we can actually type in English. And we're gonna search for Morse code, MOR, and we have it right at the top, use Morse code. Tap on it, tap on a video, and again it gives you the three-dot option on the video, so you want to tap on that. And one of the options now that appeared is watch later, so choose that, accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to log in. And from here, tap on it on the search bar and type in HardReset.Info. Like so. And tap on the three bars right here and go to the download category. In the download category, we're gonna first off search for Android 7.1.2. Now, even though what we're searching for is technically, well, not what this version of Android is, as you can see, it also includes Android 10. So let's tap on the download, scroll down, and this time around, hold the download button. It will open up this window, and you want to choose Open in Incognito tab. And this will prevent the download from having any kind of issues, which sometimes happen. So from here, confirm it by tapping on OK, and then Open. And before we can install it, we need to go into Settings, and then Allow from this source, and go back. And again, Install. And this should install just fine. We go Continue, so let's start once more, and Close. And you want to tap on Done. and go back once more, and this time you want to search for settings, like so. Tap on download again, scroll down and hold. Again, open an incognito tab, OK, and open, install. And this time, once it's installed, you want to open it up. Okay. And once you're in the settings app, you want to first off tap on apps and notifications, choose all 45 apps, and then I'm going to tap on 3 dots right there and go show system. From here, there we go, I can grab it. So from here we're gonna scroll down to Google. So we're looking precisely for Google Play Services, so there is one, and Google Play Store. Once you tap on it, you will have this window, and you want to choose Disable, and Disable App. If this window pops up, which will happen randomly, just confirm it. Okay, so once it's disabled, as you can see right here, Google Play Services is disabled right here. You want to choose the Google Play Store. And for some reason I don't have the option to disable it. Let's go back just in case. I'm going to check something. I'm going to go into security and device admin apps, so it is disabled. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to try it once more, see if that did anything, just to be certain. Let's do force stop, just in case. So from here we're gonna go back to the main settings page, and we're gonna go to accounts, add account, and choose Google. And in here, simply log in with your account. So if you don't have a Google account, you can always create one. It's completely free. And once you have created it, then use it to log in on your phone. So I already have one, so I don't have to actually create one. Let's tap on next. And I'm gonna put in a password for this. And tap on next again. And you'll see that I have logged in, so I agree. We need to confirm that, well, we agree to the terms of service. And again, there is the app kind of crashing, but it doesn't matter. It has done its job, which is allow us to log into Google. Without this app, the option to choose Google for adding an account would not be even visible. So just click off the screen right here. And now we want to go to apps and notifications. Okay, there it is. So let's go back. Apps and notifications right here. CL45, show system, and again scroll down to Google, and now this time around we want to re-enable the app. So Google Play Services and enable. Go back, see Google Play Store. Okay, so from here, once you have enabled the app, hold power key, restart, and let's wait for the device to reboot. So from here, we're going to progress through the setup once more, as we did before. And you can see right now, there is the message account added, and it provides me with the account that I have added right before the reboot. Now for you, this account will be different. Again, you can see that the app crashes, doesn't matter. So we're gonna tap on next. More, accept. Let's choose an option right here, go further, skip this. Now keep in mind that we're still not done with the process. The device is still locked partially. So that's why I'm basically disabling everything and skipping majority of the things, which I also advise you to do the same, because right now the setup doesn't really matter. So let's tap on finish and we should be now on the home screen. Now as you can see, we still have apps crashing on the top, but it doesn't really matter. From the home screen, we want to go into settings. From here, scroll down to system, advanced, and then reset options and choose erase all data factory reset. As you can see, it gives you a message that this will remove everything from the device. That includes the Google account that we have added, and it will also remove the previous account that was blocking us from finishing the setup, so basically the verification account. So from here, delete all data, the process will begin deleting all data, and once it's finished, we'll be back in the setup screen, but this time around the device will be fully unlocked. So I'll be back once where the setup screen is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So again, we can go to the setup process. This time around, you can set up anything that you want. That includes your Wi-Fi, Google accounts, whatever you want. You can now connect to it and it won't really matter. So the device is fully unlocked at this point. Now, just to save on time, I'm gonna skip Wi-Fi connection, which normally would not be possible if the device would be still locked. And I'm gonna skip through majority of this just so I don't actually have to wait. And as you can see, there we go. This is the finish. Simply tap on the finish and the setup is complete. And that is how you would bypass the Google verification screen on the SONY Xperia 1 Mark II. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.